Stablecoins used to be the safe crypto, the on-ramp between cash and crypto. But regulators in London, Ottawa, and Washington are moving fast in 2025. If you hold or use stablecoins, this video will show what could change and how to protect your money. For years, stablecoins promise stable value, but headlines have shown that not every stablecoin is equally safe. Regulators are worried about consumer risk, money laundering, and systemic payments risk. So new rules are coming that could change custody, who's allowed to issue stablecoins, and which ones you can use for payments. This is not hypothetical. The Bank of England has publicly urged closer UK-US collaboration on stablecoin rules and launched consultations in 2025, meaning big changes could be coming. In Canada, banks and payments providers are already preparing custody partnerships. That means the stablecoin landscape will look different very soon. Regulators are focusing on 3 areas. 1. Issuers who can back and issue stablecoins. 2. Custody and audits, where reserves are held and how often they're verified. 3. Systemic risk caps or special rules for widely used stablecoins. Expect stricter reserve audits, licensing, and possible limits on which stablecoins are usable for everyday payments. If you're using a stablecoin for trading, payments, or DeFi, you might see fewer stablecoins listed on regulated exchanges. Some stablecoins could move to bank custody, which may increase trust but slow transfers. Some unbacked or weakly backed coins could be delisted or restricted in some markets. Banks in Canada are already working on custody solutions, and regulators have new budget or law moves that push for oversight. Here's a simple checklist to protect yourself. 1. Know where reserves sit. Prefer stablecoins audited monthly by reputable auditors. 2. Use regulated exchanges in your country. They'll enforce local rules. 3. Consider bank-backed stablecoins if regulators shift custody to banks. 4. Don't keep large balances in any single stablecoin. Treat them like cash in transit. 5. Watch regulatory news. I'll link reliable sources below. Example: a bank-backed stablecoin custody program announced in Canada, NOV 2025, signals that regulated banking infrastructure is moving into crypto rails. That's good for safety, but it can also change fees and speed. Regulation isn't the enemy, it's the new reality. If you use stablecoins, act now. Check custody, diversify, and follow official guidance. If you want, I can cover a follow-up comparing the top audited stablecoins for UK, US, Canada users. Comment stablecoin guide below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to NestEggLabs, and ring the bell. I'll post updates fast when rules change. And leave a comment.